and on my channel.
Shut up!
Alright, so as you can see, I have these sexy sunglasses on. Well, that was rude.
Tell us what we should do with the series.
Yeah.
In the comments.
Yeah.
Please.
And some questions.
Or we will eat you while you sleep.
I can smell you.
Remember to go down in the description to his. Yeah, guys, what's going on? I'm sorry. Herohammer? No, dude, not that big of a spoon. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, ready? Ready? Ah. Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck, I'm in.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Better get away from me. Guys, don't ever try that. Yeah, we're out fishing here.
I'm gonna do it like a bounce now.
Go. Ow!
He is not going to be on hammer time anymore.
I would like to say thank you to all of you great supporters. Or should I say only the love me, but oh.